in Springfield.
No, I would just love them.
I do too.
There's an old Burlington Northern. I don't know, they're just cool. I don't know what about them.
I know.
I suppose.
Oh, you don't know. This is one of my favorite pictures.
The footbridge.
Yeah.
Is that open back
Yeah.
up yet?
And he turned around to look while I was taking his picture. I didn't even see the train right there until I looked, to see what he was looking at. But I thought this was
That one's coming from Commercial Metals. That one too.
You hear me?
All three of them will come from Commercial Metals. Yeah.
This was the most honestly greatest picture I've ever taken.
Well, of course, you got a Burlington Northern in the background.
Well, I also have a sweet little animal in What?
The Peaches picture this morning was there.
Oh, I like it too.
That didn't sound good.
What?
Sounded like the train was about to derail. What is about trains that are so cool?
I don't know.
I don't understand. They're just one of the greatest inventions ever. Huh? Yeah.
I don't know. I would ride a train across country
So would I.
before I would an airplane.
Exactly. Now's the chance. Let's park the car and go. Jump on one of these flat cars.
Yeah, you wish.
You get in big trouble
You
too.
would get put in prison for that.
Yep, exactly.